Hello, I'm Frank Anderson with Sun Windows here in Owensboro, Kentucky. Today I would like to talk to you about powder coating. Powder coating is very special for coating of our window and door products because it provides a super durable, hard finish to the exterior coating of all of our aluminum extrusions for our windows and doors here. Powder coating is also extremely environmentally friendly. There's absolutely zero VOCs during the powder coating process. Come on in and we'll take a closer look. One of the first steps in the powder coating process is to make sure the aluminum is perfectly clean. As part of the AAMA 2604 and 2605 certification, it requires a 5-stage washer for the aluminum. The very first stage uses a non-chromium pretreatment. The non-chromium pretreatment is critical in having innovative, environmentally friendly pretreatment. We were the very first company in the United States to use non-chromium pretreatment. The chromium pretreatment that most of our competition use is a cradle-to-grave process that can be harmful for the streams. The non-chromium pretreatment provides us with innovative lead points and is very unique in the powder coating process. Now we're in the environmental clean room. After the aluminum has gone through the washer system, it goes through a dry off period before it enters the clean room. The powder coating process is a part of the electrostatically applied process where the aluminum is grounded on the conveyor system and the powder has a very unique kVA positive charge. So the powder actually clings to the aluminum at this stage. You can take a look and see how thick the powder is on the aluminum itself. It's very thick. You can actually eat it. It's so environmentally friendly. The only thing that causes VOCs in painting is liquefaction of the process. With powder coating, it's never liquefied, therefore there's zero VOCs. In a typical wet paint system, you would have to have a mask on right now to be able to breathe. The air quality in this environmental clean room is actually cleaner than the air quality out in the plant floor. With this unique powder coating system, it's 100% reclaimed, meaning that any powder that's left over that doesn't cling onto the aluminum at a uniform thickness of 3 mils, it actually gets reclaimed into this tank here. You can see all of this material coming out of the sieve here. That's all part of the reclaimed powder that's being refiltered and recycled. In order to assure we're getting the very best quality finish on all of our aluminum extrusions, we've decided to join AkzoNobel's approved applicator program. We're one of a handful of companies that do this with AkzoNobel. And one of the things is we have to run sample parts through twice a day, and these sample parts get put into boiling water. After we put them in boiling water, we run them through a crosshatch test, which basically creates 16th by 16th inch squares on the aluminum. And then we take a special tape that AkzoNobel provides us, which is very aggressive, and we're actually trying to peel one of those squares off to check for adhesion. Then on the other piece, we actually take and put them into this machine here that actually creates an indentation both on the interior and the exterior side, and we're looking for a fracturing of the material. In addition to that, we take a mill thickness check and measure the consistency of the mill thickness of every part. Then we record every order for every day that's powder coated that day, and we retain this information for 30 years. In addition to this documentation, we run what's called a data pack through the line over here, and this is also run through twice a day, which monitors the line speed, which is 3 feet a minute, and also the curing oven, which is 28 minutes at 400 degrees to get the perfect recipe to make sure the powder coating on our aluminum extrusions is going to be long lasting and super durable for the lifetime of the product. So when it comes to finish color options, we basically can literally color everything under the sun. no pun intended, when it comes to exterior colors. We have 21 standard colors, 18 feature colors, 11 metallic finishes, and yes, we do a lot of custom color matches. We can color match anything. So the reason we feel like powder coating here at Sun Windows is so important is it's an environmentally friendly finish. It's super durable, it's very long lasting, and the life of the products that we apply the powder coated finish on is far superior to most of our competitors.